Welcome guys, here is Nisarga and Giten, and we are super excited about 4-day men's workshop. And I feel that this is so important today, that we men come together to hang out, to share the deepest woundings about our connection with fathers, with mothers, heal this connection with ourselves as a man, that we can really step into the world with our full potential as a man, to share what really is to be a man. We're so confused sometimes how to relate with women, how to relate with other men, and the society today, there's so much emphasis on performance and so much anxiety, stress. We want to meet together and really connect with our true essence.
There's a lot of talk lately about toxic masculinity, which it's absolutely no question about it that it's present in our society, and it has been driven our society up to now predominantly by toxic masculinity. Now we want to drop into something which is a positive masculine traces, to bring those masculine traces that were hidden up to the surface, and to actually again come to our masculine essence, which is power, its connection, its direction, all the positive ways that we as men can support the environment around us and support women and children around us in this way.
We'll be using elements like Gestalt, breath work, body work, touch, movement, meditation, and a lot of deep sharings that bring us men together, and we can then share it with the world. We can really walk in this life connected to our balls, to our heart, to our intellect and our hara, and we can fully be engaged as we are, as a man. Join us.
It's not often that we get an opportunity as men to come together in an authentic, safe, playful, and celebrative space.
Look forward. See you soon.
See you.